This is an introductory video on how to use the equipment in GH314 Hall 314. 314 has our newest in-light technology, which means we do not have a computer in the room, but we do have a means for you to connect your laptop or your tablet, your phone, in several different ways. So the first thing you're going to do when you arrive in the room is power on the Crestron controller. That's going to turn on your ceiling mounted projector. And once that gets started up, because there's nothing connected to it, it should automatically detect no inputs here and light up the Crestron Air Media Controller. We just need to give it a moment for the projector to warm up. So the Crestron Air Media Controller, there it goes. So it has noticed there's nothing inputted and has defaulted to the Air Media Controller. That allows you to wirelessly connect your laptop, your phone, or your tablet to the system, and you can display the content of those screens wirelessly through the room. If you'd like to see exactly how to use the technology, there's an additional training video on how to use that technology. So once we're there, go ahead and use the information from that training video if you'd like to project wirelessly. But if you prefer to project using your computer wired, you can do so by connecting an HDMI cable. We also have a network drop here that would allow you to plug into the network so you don't have to connect to the Wi-Fi. And if you would like to connect to the VGA cable instead of HDMI, you can do so here. If you are connecting by VGA and would like to play video, you will also need to connect with an audio cable, as VGA, unlike HDMI, does not carry audio files with it. All of these cables are going to be your responsibility to bring into the room. We do not provide them simply because they don't seem to stay put in the room once they're here. So for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to connect this HDMI cable. It's a little blurry. And we're going to plug that into the HDMI port. And as soon as we do so, you'll notice that the Crestron controller automatically knows that there is a connection to the HDMI connection and is going to display that content on the screen. Had we plugged into the VGA connection, then the VGA2 would have highlighted and displayed that content. So this is very simple. You don't need to do anything. The system takes care of it for you. If you're playing files and would like to control the audio, you can do so with this dial here, and you can mute the audio instantly by pressing this button here as well. When you're all done with everything, you're going to unplug your cables and power off the system, which is going to power off the projector in the ceiling. And you can manually put the screen up and down using the button here at the back wall.